What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Got this guy cut open and ready to go. Don't quite remember everything it was. So far we have the CJRB Ace, AES, Ace, I don't know, Ace. I'm going to go with Ace. Sounds better, I think. Got one more. Alright. So what else did we get besides the Ace? The Shikari SBL. And then the Hinterland. So, which one do we want to check out first? I don't know about those. I can't remember what those are exactly. This one I don't remember either. But since we only have one of these, let's check it out. CJRB. See what's going on. Oh, okay. I think I remember seeing pictures of this. Okay. I don't remember how much it is, but... Oops. Bad flick. Bad first flick. It's alright. Gives me time to get off the smooth. Yeah, it gives me time to get the smooches off. I kind of feel like I had problems getting the liner lock. Okay. There we go. That thing's kind of not easy. Dude, okay. Why does that lock so hard? Huh. It's got a hard lock right there or something like that. I don't know what's going on. Like, it feels like it slams open and it locks. Good Lord, I don't know why I have problems flicking that too. There. Come on, baby, come on. Man, is my hand smudged? I don't know what's going on. I feel like I keep losing the grip on it. And then I have problems getting it closed. Because if I kind of slam it open a little hard, not hard, not trying to be hard with it, but never mind, that's not so bad. Hang on, I don't know why I have problems flicking this open, as you just saw again. Little lock. Good Lord, that lock's tight when you just barely do it. When I flick it open, though, like good. Okay, so that's weird. If I just do this, I have a harder time getting it open than when I flick it kind of hard. Yeah, that's so weird. Okay, so let's get into it then. That's kind of weird. Doesn't feel too bad in hand overall, though. Not too bad. It feels, actually, honestly, it feels pretty good. It feels great. What was this called? The Ace? Is there any information on it? Let's check it out. So we got a sand polish AR RPM 9 blade, black G10, and a brass inlay handle. So it doesn't really feel bad at all. It feels pretty good. It feels great and a great handle. Doesn't feel like I'm gonna slip or anything like that. No jimping. There's a little slick feeling on the handle, on the blade. It could be because I don't know. I feel like my hand's a little, I don't know, weird feeling. I don't know if I had oil on it or something like that. Some KPL. But this thing also kind of feels like it does too. I don't know why, but this locks really tight, really hard. Which I guess sometimes in a knife you really want it to lock hard, so I guess it's not really a bad thing. Because I think it would also, honestly, I think it would be a great thing if they just put a little bit of jimping right there, a little texture right there on the liner lock. I think that would be phenomenal, and it would help you out with flipping it over because I cannot do it. I have such problems. And I don't think it's because my thumb hurts or anything like that. It's just a pain. It's just a little hard. I don't know why. That's weird. But we'll move on, though. Good Lord, see? That's a cool knife. Feels great in hand. It really does. Feels great in hand. No jimping, which sucks. It would probably be nice to have a little bit. Pocket clip is the normal CJRB pocket clip. Okay, that's tight too. There we go. Good Lord. It's a little tight. But you got a nice little curve right there, so it'll probably go into the pocket just fine. Screws are recessed, pocket clips recessed, also reversible. That's exactly what you want, right? You want a reversible pocket clip just in case. Unless you are right-handed, then you're good to go. Got a little lanyard hole right there for you. It is skeletonized a little bit on the inside to help with weight reduction. And I don't know what that is for. It didn't say anything on it for who designed it, though, did it? Nope. It almost reminds me of the Mallory designs. I could be wrong. I don't know, though. No clue. But let's put that back. Let's get that out of the way. Check something else out. That's just kind of crazy how hard that is to close. I don't know. It's just weird. Let's check out the Hinterland. That's Morgan Cohn's design. Blackwash CPM, S35VN, blue anodized titanium and T-Will carbon fiber inlay. So what is it exactly then? What did we get ourselves into? Normal stuff, yada yada yada. I won't go into that because I ain't got the time. Okie doke. So, oh, okay. This is different. There's no reverse flick. I don't like that. There's only one. I don't like that. I can't even freaking flick it. There, okay, there we go. We flicked it that way. Just got to give it a little gusto. Maybe. So it has like a fuller right there. If you want to reverse flick, you got to get your finger right there and really kind of flick it open. Okay, not bad. I didn't have to really fling it that way. Not too much. It's kind of coming open. It's okay. So I got used to it a little bit. It's getting better. That's the thing about knives. Like, they're all different sometimes, and you just have to figure them out. You just have to take more than like 2 seconds to figure them out and give them a chance sometimes. I do really freaking like the coloring and the screws and everything like that. Even that little thumb pad. Let's try that. Okay, I don't like that actually. I don't like that because it's like a thumb pad to me, so I want to slow roll it, but it doesn't slow roll. That's just for flicking. Okay, so it really is just for flicking. The thumb pad is. I think I would prefer it on the other side though, so I can reverse flick it. That's just my opinion, how I would like it. It looks great though overall. I wish I had 2 thumb pads. That's just me and my preference, just who I am. I don't. Hold on, let's. I'm kind of curious. Did it come with anything? See, sometimes I guess it is good to check the box. Yeah, ain't nothing else in there, so it's just the one thumb pad. I don't know if you. I wonder if you could change it out. I don't see why that would be an issue. Why you couldn't just change it over to the other side? It would just be different, obviously. It would just be this opposite way. I don't know. I would prefer it to be over here though. Just me. I do feel like I like the slow thumb roll. Feels great doing it. I will give it that. Don't really need the thumb pad on this because I would probably do that anyway. So I think this is just a preference thing maybe. Obviously I'm sure you could buy another thumb pad maybe through Kanspet. I'm not quite sure. This thing is pretty nice though. I'm not going to lie. I like this. I like the way it feels in hand. I love the look of it. Love the T-Will carbon fiber. Got a little bit of milling right there just to make it look cool, I guess. Blade style is pretty nice. What is it, like a drop point? Not bad. Hinterland right there is where it's called. Morgan Cohn's S35VN right there. Not skeletonized on the inside. I really do love the color of the liners and the type. I guess it's probably titanium, I think. What else did it say on the box? T-Will carbon fiber inlet. Yeah, blue anodized titanium. Love it. I wish it would have probably. I guess that's not too bad. The pivot being black. I guess that probably adds to it a little bit. Pocket clip is a little bit not recessed at all. Not recessed. Deep carry. It's got about a half edge showing. Feels good. Nice and tight, but feels good too. Like you can get your pocket around it. under it. I got a little lanyard hole right there for you. But it's kind of spiffy though. I really like this. Just that thumb stud. Oh, jimping. We got to check that jimping out, right? Jimping is nice too. I love this actually. I love how I can lock my finger in there. I feel like I can really get a lot of control with this, where it's at. Like that's actually feels really good in my hand. I know like a lot of people like the neutral feel. Um, I guess it depends on the person. A lot of people like the neutral feel. Some people don't like that. Like this little bit of stuff right here, little curve in it just to get your fingers in there. Your grooves, some grooves for you is what I'm trying to say. Gives you some grooves. I don't mind either way, depending on the knife. I love the grooves on this though. They feel great in hand. Like it's ergonomically great. Really like this. This is really nice. Kansept's been putting out some stuff. They've been putting out some fire lately. And I don't know how much this is, but I like this. Just that thumb stud, that thumb pad right there is the only thing that would change for me. But that fuller tab or that fuller notch right there works pretty well. It's just something that would take time to get used to. And I love that slow roll. I don't know why, it just feels smooth and great. I like it. Let's go on though. One more. And this is the Shikari SBO, black stone washed, 154 cm, black aluminum and green micarta. Okay. Oh, so these are both Morgan Cohen's, right? Yeah, these are both Morgan Cohen's. I wonder if that's him. It's got an M. I wonder if that's Morgan Cohen's also. Was there an emblem on this? No, no emblem. I don't know. I'll have to check into that. I will have to check into that. Oop, wrong way. Nothing else in there. Got it out of the package already. I don't know why every time it says SBL, I think BBL on the box. Brazilian butt lift. I don't know why. Just every time I look at it and see, I'm like BBL. Sorry, just me, thinking crazy. Oh wait, what? Oh, it's a button lock. I didn't realize it was a button lock at first. Almost. Whoa. For some reason, I thought there was going to be like a liner lock. It's kind of. I feel like it doesn't smack as hard as it should. Hold on. Okay, that's a little better. Let me try one more time. That's a little better. Okay, so I had my I had my finger all the way right here. If I put it a little bit back, it definitely smacks a little better. I kind of like this, so I like the green micarta. I'm not too big on green micarta, but if it's going to be green, make it really green. Don't make it that tan crap or whatever, you know what I'm talking about. I like this green micarta. It's pretty good. Looks nice. I love it when it goes with the black and everything like that. So you got 154 cm right there. Morgan Cohen's Shikari SBL right there. Nice, nice, nice. I like it. Skeletonized on the inside for you. Nice little titanium backspacer, I think. I believe that's what it is. Or is it just aluminum? It might be aluminum also, actually. Yes, it's aluminum. Not titanium. This is aluminum. So I'm very iffy sometimes on aluminum just because I've had some bad experiences. I feel like it's scratched very easily on me. Maybe it's not all aluminum. Maybe it's just certain cases. One was a Kaiser drop barrel. Like I barely did anything to it and it got nicks in it. And then also the one was... Crap, I can't remember what the other knife was because I stopped carrying it immediately. I remember that because I'm like, wow, that was kind of lame. It scratched up immediately. I think it was soon after I got it too, whatever it was. Now I have to go back through my box of knives and check it out and see what it was. But it's something that scratched so freaking easily. I was so turned off to it. I was like, I'm done. I can't even carry it now. Button lock is pretty solid though. Like it's not bad. It really is. It feels pretty slick. It's pretty smooth. It's obviously, as you can see right there, it's pretty flush right there when it's closed. When you open it, just a hairball out. Not bad. I like that. Kind of keep it hidden. Ergonomically, it feels great. Love the jimping right there, and also love that little ramp right there. That's phenomenal. I love when companies are doing that with the ramp now. It feels better in my hand. I like that. It's just a preference how I like it. And when you add a little bit of jimping there, I feel like that's just the ultimate grab almost. And I really like how my finger is right there. It locks into place really well. With that front flipper or that flipper tab also, the rear one, everything works very well. It seems like this was very thought out very well. And I'm very impressed with this so far. I don't know what the price tag would be on this thing, but it's not, it almost would be worth it if it's a little higher. It just feels great in hand. Feels like a great everyday carry knife. Pretty phenomenal. I don't know about phenomenal, but it's pretty daggone good. How about that? Here we go. A couple concepts. CJRB. Let's see how it works. It's a little better. Maybe it just needs broke in a little bit too. I don't know. I'm really kind of iffy on this thing. I don't know. I don't know if it passes the grade yet. I'm not sure. I'll have to check it out a little more though. But that's all I got though. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything like that, let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks.